Hey, my name's King Lore. I'm the vocalist slash guitarist for Tayk2. Biggest inspiration was my father. He helped me a lot with music. He played music for a long time, and he actually had a guitar sitting out in the living room. I decided to pick it up one day and start to learn. I didn't start singing until maybe a year after that. I didn't start singing Mo until my late high school, early college years. I was still into the American pop punk moment at that time. Bands like Boys Like Girls, All American Reject, Simple Plan, we try to put our music a little bit towards that theme, but not too much. Try to keep it original as possible. Relationships, and also through mental and I guess physical attributes that really inspired me. Like going through hard times, rough times, I try to write songs that are emotional, relate, and also you guys can feel the emotion.